And here, boom, Instagram post, website banner, ad creative, testimonials. Everything is done less than 4 minutes. I'm Akash Dubey and I have built an AI agent that generates the luxury grade marketing creatives automatically. This is not a Canva, this is not a GPT with a fancy prompt. This is a fully trained AI agent built by me. By using this single photo, this AI agent gives me 5 different marketing assets less than 4 minutes. And you have to just fill this form and everything will be done by AI agent. All the businesses who are running marketing agency, e-com businesses, jewelry businesses, beauty business, they need a marketing assets, they need an Instagram story, they need an Instagram post, they need a website banner, and they are still wasting their time and money designing post manually. Every business trying to look professional, so they hire a freelancer, they hire a designer, and at the end they have to wait for the result. And if we try to do it by ourselves, we end up stuck in Canva while the competitors are selling. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process that how you can build this AI agent too, and not only building. At the end of the video, I will provide you the list of the businesses who needs this solution. Let's move in the part that how it works. After that, I will show you the step-by-step process of building it. You have to just fill this form. I'm going to fill this everything right now, and this AI will generate the exact 5 images of the PNG which I'm going to upload right now. You have to put the product name, what is the product tagline, and after that you have to upload the PNG format of the photo, choose the product category as well, and what is the highlighted benefit. I have filled this everything and let's submit it. And after filling the form, everything will be done by this AI agent. By using the OpenAI API key, this will generate a photo and send this photo to be saved on my Google Drive. And this is the final result. You can see this is the first photo. Maybe this is a story. I think everything is done less than 4 minutes. So let's move in the part that how you can build it. All the prompts and the JSON files which I'm going to use will be in description, so you can copy that and make your own AI agent. This is the interface of N10. Here you get the option called start from scratch or create workflow. Click on create workflow. After that you get the option called add first step and click on add first step. This is the main interface of the N10. Here you have to do all the work. Here you get the option called on form submission. First we have to create a form, the form which we are going to fill, and everything will be done by that. You have to write the form title, form description. This is the most basic. Write it according to you, like I have written AI self marketing and description. You can copy the same description. After that you have to click on add form element and you have to write the few questions which you are going to ask in the form. What is the product name? Click on require field, and after that add one more element, and this will be our what is the product tagline. Turn on the required field. We have to add one more element and write it to upload product image. Turn off this multiple files, and in accepted file types you have to type .jpg and .png. Add one more option, and what is the product category basically. So what is the product category, and lastly highlighted benefits. Now boom, our form is ready guys. Now we have to just fill this form. Let's make the product name mineral sunscreen. We are done with the form, like what is product name, mineral sunscreen, and what is the product tagline, glow without the burn, and what is product category, basically it is for sunscreen. What is the benefit of sunscreen, protect skin from sunlight. And here you have to upload your image. Make sure that your image is in PNG format. If you have in JPG format, so go in a website called background image remover, and you can remove your background and turn it into PNG in free, and a form is submitted. Now this is the time for the next step. Click on add option and search for edit fields. So edit field is here, and select on JSON. I already have the prompt, so I pasted it, so don't worry for that. Basically what is the prompt? Brand name is Kurz, brand tone is premium skincare, grounded, serene and confident. Like what will be going to brand name, what will go into the brand tone, background style, what will be our product placement, like products should be grounded on made trays, slate or folded fabric, props like eucalyptus leaves, minimalist balls or textured blocks used sparingly. This is the first step of explaining that how would be our agent will be. And click on text step and you get the output like this. Brand name Kurz, brand tone premium skincare, color theme. Now save it, otherwise it will be lost. Click on the plus icon again and now search for the Google Drive. Click on upload file. We are going with upload file because we have to first upload the PNG and send the generated image to the Google Drive. So click on upload file And after so in the Google Drive section, the very first thing you have to do is create your credentials. For that, create your Google Auth account. I have made the video on this. Literally, I had wasted my 2-3 hours just in Google Drive connection. So I had made the video on that. This is only a 4 to 5 minute process. Check out this video. I'm giving the link in the description, or you can may search it on my channel as well. You have to go to the Google Drive, and here you can see that I have created these two folders: AI marketing assets and AI jewelry assets. Because I have done in this too, I'm going to show you that how you can create this folder. You have to create a new folder here, and let's name it anything. Make it AI marketing assets 2 and create, and here you get the folder. So basically what you have to do, click on this folder, and here you get this ID, and done. Let's go back to the Anatan. In Anatan, left column of input section, here you get the option called on form submission. Click on this. We are going to write my file name as our product name. What will be going to happen with this, in your AI marketing assets 2, there will be going to a new file with your product name. I'm going to add a new file, mineral sunscreen there, and all the generated photos will be going to save there. So let's drag it and drop it in file name. And in the resource, the file is selected, so select folder, and in the parent folder column you have to select the by ID. Let's go back to the Google Drive and click on this AI marketing assets 2, and at the top of this you have to copy this and paste it in Anatan. So this is that by ID where you have to upload it. Now go back to Drive and see that anything is new or not, and boom, and here the new file is created, mineral sunscreen. So we are done with the Google Drive section as well. Now click on the plus icon. Now this is the time for the AI agent step. This is a very important step. Click on the plus icon and click on AI, and here you get the AI agent. It will be going to generate every photo. This will going to use your OpenAI API key. So this is the most important step. Here you get the option prompt user message. Click on the add option, and here we have to write the system message. So this is the system message which I have generated with ChatGPT. Let's just copy it and paste it in here. At the top here you get the option called source for prompt user. Click on define value, and this is the prompt which I have created with ChatGPT for the user message. Take help of the ChatGPT for each and every step. Like here you see that can we put the same API key again used in beauty one. Like when I have created a jewelry one, so I have a doubt that the API key which I use in the beauty one can be suitable for the jewelry one also or not. So I asked to the GPT. You don't need to ask to anyone because no one knows this. This is the new thing. So just copy this prompt and paste in the user message. So let's explain you the system message prompt. Your task with creating elevated visual styling ideas for 5 distinct product launch assets, each tailored for a specific platform. The product is a part of a premium skincare line known for its minimal. I have written the specific one also for Instagram post, what I need for Instagram post: visual style, background tone, surface, everything. And same for the Instagram story, purpose, accent, and everything. Same for the website banner, and same for the ad creative, and same for the testimonial graphic. Tell the system that what you need. In the prompt user section, if you're seeing any red column, not green one, so you have to just drag the everything from the input section here and delete the red one. Let's go back and click on the first plus of AI agent. Now we have to add the OpenAI chat model. Search for the OpenAI chat model. Here is the OpenAI. Click on this, and first of all you have to connect your OpenAI account with this. I think everyone know how to create the API key. If you don't know how to create this, go on the Google and search how to create an OpenAI API key. This is a 10-second process. I think in organization ID you have to do nothing and just save it, and after that you have to select the model. I have selected the GPT-4o mini. Let's go back, and in the last plus of the AI agent we have to add the structure output parser. So click on the plus icon and search for the structure output parser. Here I get this, and after that the schema type will be same, like generate from JSON example. Okay, so this is our JSON file. Don't worry for the JSON file, you get everything in description. If you're creating the same agent, just copy my prompts, and if you're creating the another agent, go and paste my prompt in the GPT and modify it according to you. You get the best result. Damn best result. So basically what is this? Assets. Asset type Instagram post, background tone, soft base with gold, surface type, and everything. Now go back and click on AI agent, and here you get the option text step, and click on test step. You have to wait for the few seconds, and here is the output. What is the asset type? Instagram story, background tone, surface, asset 2, website banner, everything. You get this. Now we have to put the some line of JavaScript code which is essential, maybe a 2, 3, 4 lines. So click on plus icon, search for code. Okay, here's the code, and everything will be same, like mode and language will be same here. Do and test step. wait for the output. Okay, so here's the output. We are done with the code also. Click on the plus icon again, and now we have to add a switch. This is the important part of this. Value 1, you have to just drag the asset type, like asset type of Instagram post. You have to drag that asset type and place it on value 1, and value 2 Instagram post. Okay. Add one more routing rule and drag the asset type 2 of Instagram story and paste it here, and in value 2 write Instagram story. Add routing rule one more, and in this drag and drop the asset type website banner. Value 2 write website banner. So we have to add two more routing rule, one for ad creative and one for testimonials. So this is one for ad creative, okay, and this one for testimonials graphic. Find the option called add option, send data to all matching outputs, just select it. And always remember the one thing, whenever you're done with one part, just go and save this. If you're not getting the input section, or you may have lost the input section, just go and fill the form again and you get your input. While testing the switch, you may found many errors, but when you do for 2, 3, 4 times, you get the output. And whenever you are stuck in something, here's the option called ask assistant. Just go and ask assistant. There is their inbuilt chatbot assistant who helps you. So let's go back and save this. Click on the first plus icon and search for HTTP request. Okay, so here is HTTP request. In HTTP request, we have to select the method post. In URL, you have to put the OpenAI edit URL. Don't put the image generation AI. This is the URL which you have to copy and paste it here. And after that, click on the send headers. Specific address will be using fields below, and name will be here authorization. And in the value, you have to paste the OpenAI API key. But remember, before pasting the API key, you have to write this BARER, BARER, and give one space here and just copy and paste your API key like this. And after that, select the option send body. Choose the body contact type form data, and the name will be model for first. The value will be GPT image 1. Add one more parameter, and here the name will be prompt, and in value you have to paste the prompt. So in ChatGPT I had made the prompt, copy it like this and paste it here. Add one more parameter, name will be output format, value will be going to PNG. One more parameter, here the parameter type will be annotated binary file, name image, and input field name same image. In the prompt I'm seeing something red, so just change it by drag and drop method which I told you earlier. So remove it first like this. Go to the AI agent, copy the product name, and paste it here. What is the result? Create a Square 121 Instagram post for the launch of the skincare product by Quartz. This is the hero visual of the campaign. It should feel iconic, polished. Product name is mineral sunscreen. Okay, so we are done with this, and now test step. This one may take like 4 to 5 minutes for giving output. Some of you may get the result in the 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and some of you may not get the result after 1 or 2 hours. So what you have to do after running it for 5 to 6 minutes, just check the everything again, and after 5 to 6 minutes while executing it, go back on your home page, stop it from here. You get your output for sure. This is the trick which I have used, and I found it good as well. Okay, so boom, this is your output. If your output section is same like me, then you're going good, but we don't need the output in this format. So what we have to do, we have to convert this in the file. So go back to the canvas and click on plus icon again and search for convert file. At the end, you find the option move base 64 string to file. Click on this, and here what you have to do, drag this whole output here like this, and no changes at all, just test step. This will take maybe 5 to 10 seconds for the output. Okay, so here the output. If you don't get the output, just go and stop the workflow from here. Let's view it and see how the result is here. Okay, so boom, here is the output for which we are doing everything. Now what we have to do, we have to just save it in the Google Drive. So click on the plus icon and search for the Google Drive. This is here. Search for the upload file again. Click on upload file. You don't need to do any changes here. File name will be Instagram post, and parent folder select for by ID. In input section you find the option Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive, and here you find the option ID. You can just drag and drop here. Go back to canvas and just save it. Okay, so we are done with this part. Let's go on the Google Drive and see what is the result in AI marketing assets. And here you will find the name Instagram post here right now. Okay, so boom, this is the post, this is the thing which I'm saying. Let's go back to the annotate and just copy this whole thing like this, and using Ctrl+V paste it here like this, and connect this second plus icon with this, and click on the HTTP request, and here you have to do only one change and nothing else. You have to only change the JSON here and copy and paste the JSON which I have created from the ChatGPT. Facing the problem or red mark in the product name, may you face this red mark in any other things, like so find the product name from input section. If you're not getting in the input section, go back to the AI agent and find this from here and just copy it like this and paste it here. So this is our JSON file, and let's name this HTTP request one as Instagram story so that we can remember it like this, and nothing else. The API key will be same that you have used in HTTP request first one, that will be the same API key, and you have to just change the JSON file. So we are done with this now, and after that go for the third one, and here also you don't have to do any changes. The only change is going to be on JSON format. So let's paste the JSON format here which I have already created. So we are done with this. So we are done with the website banner as well. Now it's time for the next one, for add creative. So go and change this prompt so go and change the JSON format. So go and change this JSON format as well. And for add creative, create a photorealistic high impact at one, and similarly for the next one, for testimonial graphic. So just copy and paste it here. And save all the process like this. Now we are done with this, but we have to do some changes. Go on the Google Drive 2, and here in the place of Instagram post, write Instagram story, so that you get the post differently and stories differently. And similarly for third one, in the place of Instagram post, write website banner. And go for the next one, in the place of Instagram post, write add creative like this. And for the last one, write testimonials graphic. And after that, go back on the on form submission, and here copy the production URL like this. Copy the production URL and paste this on another tab. So here you get the form. Now let's again fill the form. Mineral sunscreen. And what is the product tagline? Glow without the burn. And what is the product category? That is sunscreen. And what is the highlighted benefit? So protect the skin from the sun. Write this. From the protects skin from sunlight basically. And now upload the image and submit the form. So our form is submitted now. And go back to the page and click on the execution. Earlier we were in the editor, and now we have to do in execution. Click on the execution, and here. Oh, okay, so here you can see in the left side it started running. That means the annotator started doing his work. So go back to the Google Drive, and here, boom, you can see that everything is like that. Instagram post, website banner, add creative, testimonials, story, everything is written. And when you click on that will going to be the exact thing. So click on the Instagram post and look how beautiful this is looking. Website banner and a calm ritual design for your glow. How beautiful this look, and look at the background, how minimal color is there. This is maybe a story, I think. Reveal what luxury feels like on skin, and look at the background, and look at the spoon, how beautiful is this. And here, my skin has never felt this calm. I think this is the add creative, and look at the book behind it, how beautiful is this looking. This can really replace any designer insane for the businesses and any kind of business. You can build this and sell at any cost you want. Basically this was our N8N agent. which is built for creating a marketing assets. This is how you can build this agent. I have shown you the working process and building process and everything. Now I'm going to give you the list of the businesses who need this agent. I have already told you the businesses like e-com business, jewelry business, shoes business, cars business, any kind of businesses who are looking for the all they are wasting their time and money on the designers, so they need this type of agent. So go and check it out.